Hello guys, welcome to the first video of our lab. Today I select three questions for your homework and we'll go through each of them one by one. If you want to read the questions, you can just pause the video and I put every related information to the question on the screen. So go ahead and read the question and I will start solving it as soon as you are done. So, as you can see, we have a fixed cost of $1,300, and over here, the variable cost is $5, and we are charging $25 per day and per child. So, knowing these things, we will start solving the question. So, let me figure this out. Over here, the first requirement of the question is what's the break-even point for the November in child days and in revenue dollars. First, we have to determine the formula for break-even in child days. So, we in a break-even point, we are trying to see how many customers, how many products should we sell in order to cover all of our cost. So the total, all of our fixed cost. So the total fixed cost over the contribution margin, the unit contribution margin, will be the break even in a child's day. So let's check our answer. So what's our total fixed cost based on this table? Our total fixed cost is $1,300. And our unit contribution margin. So what was the unit contribution margin? Was the profit that we are making on each of the products. So we go in this file, seeing our variable cost is $5 and we are charging $25 per day. So it means our contribution margin is 25 minus 5. So we'll have 20, and 1300 divided by 20 is 65. So the answer is right. Yes. So now for the next part, it asks us for determine this break-even instead of child days in a revenue dollars. So the formula for the second part is how many, so break-even in units. So we want to see, we know that our break-even happened at 65. So now we want to know how much in revenue dollars it will be. It will be our break even. So our break even in units should be multiplied by the fee that we are charging per child day. So break even units was 65. Fee for per child is $25, and the answer is 1,625. So that was the first part of the question. The second requirement asks us, suppose the attendance for November 2007 is equal to the average, resulting in 22 people and 110 child days. What amount will worker have left after paying all expenses? So the question asking, we know at 65 everything is equal, so our cost is equal to profit. But what if in a 1 month we have the average of the attendance, which lead to 110 child days? So we want to calculate the net income. So the net income, will be the break even. So not the break even. So it will be a child days in unit that we have. Then the fee, the variable fee that we are, the fee, not the variable fee. So the fee that we are charging per child minus variable cost. And at the end, we are deducting the fixed expenses from the formula. So let's check our answers. That's right. So we are expecting 110 child days. Each of those we will charge $25. The variable cost is $5 minus 1300 as our fixed cost. So the net income will be $700. So net income is not right. Let's see. 110 multiplied by 20. Bring out my calculator. So 110 multiplied by 20 minus 1300, it will be 900 as income. Yes. So in the next scenario, not scenario requirement, it will gives us different scenario that we can use to calculate our net income. The first one is the average attendance is 14 children per day instead of 5. So it will generate 308 child days. You use the same exact formula to find the answer. So 308 multiplied by 20 minus 1300, it will give us 4,860. The next one will change the variable cost increase to the $6 per child day, and as you can see it says consider each case independently, so we will have again 110 child. So I'll bring up my calculator. 110 multiplied by $25 minus 6 this time, which means 19, and minus 1300 as a fixed cost, it leaves us with 790. Rent increases by 140 per month. So our rent is 1300, it will increase to 440, which just means our fixed cost will increase by 140. So since nothing change, our profit from $900 will be decreases by 140. So 900 minus 140 will be 760. Walker spent $100 on advertising, a fixed cost in November, which increased average daily attendance to 18 children. So this one we have two changes. We have the changes in child days and we have changes in the fixed expenses. So how many days this month has? It says 22 weekdays in November. And the average goes up to the 18. So 18 multiplied by 22 days will gives us 396 multiplied by $20 profit from each of those, and minus 1300 was our previous fixed cost. Now we spent $100 on a fixed cost as well, on advertisement as well, so we will have a 1400 as our fixed cost, so it will leave us with 6520. Next part, it says worker begin charging $40 per day and average daily attendance slips to 4 children. So if we go to the 4 children, it will leave us by 2288 students, and 88 multiplied by 40 minus 5, it will be 35 minus 1300, it will give us 1780. So that was the first question. Next video will be about the second question. Thank you.